In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your passenger side splash shield on your Chevy HHR. It's located underneath behind the wheel. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove our hubcap gently. Now we're going to remove our lug nuts with the same size. Remove your wheel. Remove your push pins. There's one here, here, there, and one behind the wheel, and there's one under the bumper. Take out the center part first, and then remove the underneath. And do this for all of them. Ours is missing over here, but there's one hiding underneath the bumper. And then the last one is up here by the strut. Sometimes these don't want to come out, so you just kind of use something else and replace it. Now we're going to remove these two bolts using a 7mm socket. Now we're going to remove our last push pin in the back near where the fog light should be if you don't have one, and where the fog light is if you do have one. Now we're going to peel this back and remove our shield. Make sure you transfer over your metal clips. There's one here and one here. So to remove this, you're just going to get a flathead screwdriver and push it off. Do the same on the other side. We've installed this one, and now to install this one, you're just going to slide it into place. And we're ready to install. Now we're going to slide our engine cover on. We have our wheel well flap pushed up and resting on the axle. And now I'm going to go right where the fog light or fog light cover should be after everything's lined up, and attach my plastic push pin. Feed it through. I replaced the old one since it was broken. Push it in. And now I'm going to push in that center part to lock it in place. Let's go on the other side, right behind the wheel, and put this one in, next to our brake line. Put the base part in first, and lock it in with the center. Let's fold this back down into position. Let's put our plastic push pins in here, here. Put your push pin in here. Now we're going to do 2 screws and push pins underneath. And now we have 2 push pins to do underneath. Now you have push pins right here and here. Ours were missing, so I'm just replacing. This one's similar to the ones on the top where it has a center, and then this one's just a typical push pin. It's a little smaller of a hole, so find something that fits or just replace what you had there. Put your wheel on. Start your lug nuts by hand. When you tighten these, you're going to go in a crisscross manner. I'm going to walk my wheel up with the bottom lug nut. We're going to torque our wheel in a star-like pattern to 100 foot-pounds. Line up your hubcap with your valve stem. Slide it on and hand tighten the plastic lug nuts.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.